Okay, guys, I am on page 410. 410. You can't even see me, can we? Hold on, let me see. I can't even see it. Oh, where are we? Wait. Here I am, 410. Oh my God, there was my phone. 410. Can you get there? 410. If you're not there, pause your video, okay? Because I am going to be starting right now. 410. Okay, right now we got 3-digit number and we're adding a 3-digit number. Let's do this one together. 7 plus 1, 8. Always start on the 1. Siempre empezamos en las unidades. 4 plus 9, 9 and 4. 10 and 4 is 14. So 9 and 4 is 1 smaller, 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. We can't put 13 here, but we can put the 3 and the 1 we're going to carry. You always carry to the next, not up here. We're in that column. We're doing the 10s. We've got 10 10s left over, which is 100. We have to put it over here. You always carry to the next column. Siempre carga a la próxima columna. 3 y 1 más, 4 más 2 son 6. 638. Go ahead, you try this one on your own. You don't have to pause it, just try it. Okay, did you get it done? Let's see. We start on the ones. 5 and 4 is pretty easy. That's 9. A hand and 4 fingers. La mano y 4 dedos son casi todos los dedos menos uno. Son 9. 6 and 5. Well, 5 and 5 is 10. So 6 and 5 is 1 bigger, 11. Put down the 1. The other one you carry to the hundreds because it's 10 10s. These are the 10s. So that one means 10 10s. That's 100. You put it there. 3 and 1 is 4 and 1 is 5. Did you get that? Did you get that one right? Okay, try this one. Don't pause it. It's too easy. Go ahead, do that one. I'll give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8 and 0. 8. 4 and 3, 7, 5 and 1, 6. We did not have to carry. That was really fast and simple, right? Fast and simple. Let's go to the other side. Here we go. Let's see what we know. I'll do some together. Here we go. Quickly. 6 and 2. Oops. 6 and 2. That's right. 8. 5 and 4. You got it. 9. 1 and nothing. 1. Too easy. Too easy. 4 and 3. 7. You should know that. 6 and 5. Remember, 5 and 5 is 10. So 6 and 5 is 11. Put down the 1 and carry the other one to the next column. 7 and 1. 8 and 1. 9. Very simple. Okay. Try this one. Go ahead, try that one. You don't have to pause it. I'll wait. Because we're pretty much ahead. I can wait a little. So it starts off really easy. The 1s is really easy. The 10s is a little harder. Okay, ready to check? Here we go. 5 and 2 is a hand and 2 fingers. Mano y dos dedos son 7. 8 and 7. Well, 7 and 7. Do you know 7 and 7? That's a doubles. 7 and 7 is 14. So 8 and 7 is 1 bigger, 15. Or you can go 8 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Put down the 5. That's 5 10s. And the 1 is 10 10s. That's 100. Carry the 1 over there. 3 and 1 is 4 and 1 is 5. 557, right? Okay, try this one on your own. Don't pause it, just do it. It's pretty simple. Number 7. This one, you couldn't see me. This one, do that one on your own. Okay, are you done? I'll give you 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 7 and 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Escribo uno y cargo uno. 5 y 2, 7 y 1, 8. No carga nada aquí. 2 y 1 son 3. Do this one. You've got 5 seconds to do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time's up. 5 and 4, 9. 3 and 1, 4. 4 and 3, 7. We didn't have to carry. That's why I only gave you 5 seconds. It was too easy. Okay, try this one. Don't pause. Just go right ahead and do it. It's all very simple adding. You have to know your adding facts. If you know your adding facts, you don't have to use your fingers and you're faster at doing your work. If you're faster at doing work, you get more free time. Okay, 3 and 2. Always start on the ones. 5. 5 and 5. We know that. It's 10. But we can only put the 0. The 1 we carry not here. We go to the next column, to the hundreds. 7 and 1 is 8 and 1 is 9. Because that 1 represents 10 tens. 10 tens is 100. 905. Okay, we're going to do this one together. This one's really kind of long, and so we're going to do it together. Okay, I want you thinking and helping out and not just copying. Here we go. In a bowling game, Jack scored 116 points and 124 points. That's margaritas. We don't want to know about margaritas. We want page 411. Where are you, guy? Here we go. En un juego de bolos, Jack anotó 116 puntos y 124 puntos. Hal scored 128 points and 134 points. Hal anotó 128 puntos y 134 puntos. ¿Quién anotó más puntos? Who scored more points? How many more points were scored? ¿Cuántos puntos más se anotaron? Se anotó. Se anotaron. How many more points were scored? Which one scored the most first? Which one scored the most? Well, we don't have to add to know which one scored the most. You know why? I'll show you why. In the first game, Jack got 116. Hal got 128. Who's winning? Who's got more? Hal is winning, right? Hal won the first game. Look at the second game. Jack got 124, and Hal got 134. Who won the second game? Hal again. If Hal won both games, who do you think scored more points? ¿Quién piensa anotó más puntos? Hal, porque ganó los dos juegos. Es muy fácil. But we want to know how many points he won by. Okay, here's how we're going to do it. We're going to add up Jack's points first. Okay? We're going to find out how much Jack scored. He had played 2 games. So let's put a J here. And let's add up Jack. 1. Don't write too big because we got to do a lot of work here. 124. Go ahead, write those 2. We're going to add them. 116, 124. This is Jack. Okay, you got it? Okay, let's add. Make sure they're nice columns. 6 and 4. 6 and 4 is 10. Put down the 0. Carry the 1. 2 and 1 is 3 and 1 is 4. 240. That's how much Jack scored. Don't write it down here. No. Jack scored 240. Now let's do Hal. Hal scored 128 and Hal scored 134. So write those two numbers. Make sure they're in columns so you can add them, right? Okay, we're going to start in the ones place. 8 and 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Put down the 2 and carry the 1. 2 and 1 is 3 and 3. What's 3 and 3? You got it, 6. And 1 and 1? Yep, 2. Now you can see Hal won, right? Hal's got a bigger number together. That's our first part. We already did that because we knew Hal won the first game, Hal won the second game. So Hal's got to win the total. If he's bigger both times, then he's going to be bigger altogether. Okay? But listen to this. How many more points were scored by Hal than by Jack? How do we find out when they ask us how much bigger is one number than another number? We want to know the difference between the two numbers. How do you find the difference? You subtract. Beginning with the bigger one. Well, who did we say was bigger? Hal. So put 262 minus 240. That's going to give us how much. If you don't have room here, you got to find a place to write it. You can write it up here maybe if you don't have room. Okay, here I go. 2, take away 0. We're doing take away, subtract 2. 6, take away 4. 2 again. And 2, take away 2. 0, but you don't put a 0 in the front. How many more points did Hal score? 22. Let me show you another way we could have done that. Watch. You could have said this. Who won the first game? Hal. By how many points did Hal win? You could have done this. 128 minus 116. 8 take away 6 is 2. 2 take away 1 is 1. Hal won by 12 points. How about the second game? Hal got 134. Jack got 124. I'll put that up here. 134 minus 124. 0, 1. He won by 10 points. So he won the first game by 12, the second game by 10. How much did he win by altogether? He won by 12, and then he won by 10. We add those two, and we get 22. He won by 22 points, just like we got. You see the difference? In the first way, we found Jack's total, Hal's total, and we subtracted. In the second way, we said, how much did Hal win by the first game? How much did Hal win by the second game? And then we added. In this way, we added twice and subtracted once. In the other way, we subtracted twice and then we added once. Interesting, huh? Isn't it funny how math works? Yeah. Okay, last problems. Here we go. On the bottom, we're going to add these. So I'm going to do the first one with you, and then you're going to do some on your own. 760 plus 178. Now that goes on top, that one goes on the bottom. And adding it really doesn't matter. We could put this one on the top and that one on the bottom. We get the same answer. But you know, in subtraction, you can't do that. The first number must go on top. So let's keep the first number on top. Now, there's two ways. You could put the 760 first up here and leave a space. But if you're not good at leaving a space, start with the bottom number, 178. Now you know where to put the top number, right on top, 760. Look at those columns, Jenica and Joam. You got to do columns. Now we're going to add 8 and 0, 8, 7 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Put down the 3. Carry the 1 over here, not here. You always go to the next, the next, the next. La próxima, la próxima, la próxima. Carga la una, la próxima. 7, 1, 8 y 1, 9. See how I did that? Well, guess what? You guys have to do these two by yourself. Write them over and then add them. And then we're done. Okay? So you do these two by yourself. Then take a picture of the whole 2 pages. Got it? Good. Good job, guys. I will see you tomorrow in class. Adios, amigos.